Most companies have a logo, but a logo alone does not create a brand experience. We had already created office signs, door plates, logo displays, planters, business card holders, and personalized rulers, but they were still the individual objects, so we gave ourselves a new challenge. Could one desktop ladder turn them into a complete office brand system? We found that the real problems were not decorative. They were about communication, recognition, and experience. Visitors needed clear information, employees needed a stronger sense of belonging, and our products needed a better way to introduce themselves. We divided the office into 5 brand touchpoints: employee workstation, meeting rooms, visitor reception, employee gifts, and the product displays. The goal was not to make more product. The goal was to make every product feel like it belonged to the same brand.
So we use one visual language across every item, the same typographic, proportions, materials, and details.
Every material was tested before production. Some products needed engraving, some needed cutting, and some required several parts to work together. The design stayed consistent, while names, department, QR code, and product information could change. The finished product did not stay on a display table. They became part of everyday work. They helped the visitors find information, they helped employees identify their own space, and they helped every product communicate more clearly. A brand should not exist only on a website, a presentation, or a wall. It should be present in the object they use, the space they enter, and the experience they remember. For a small business, this can become a complete corporate customization service. For a company, it creates faster and more flexible brand applications. For a dealer, one machine can demonstrate multiple industry and multiple business opportunities. And for an individual creator, it turns personal ideas into objects that can be used every day.
VMYTH Office Brand System. Make your brand tangible. Designed for creation. Powered by intelligence.